In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text in Canva like a pro. If you want to make your designs feel more polished, dynamic, and attention-grabbing, text animation is a simple way to do it. Canva makes this process very beginner-friendly, and once you know where the animation tools are, you can create professional-looking motion in just a few clicks. To get started, go to Canva. Once you're on the platform, head into your workspace so you can begin creating or editing a design. If you're not already inside a project, that's completely fine. The main goal here is simply to get to the Canva editor where your text can be animated. Next, click on Create. This is how you start a new design or open up the space where you'll be working. Depending on what kind of content you're making, this could be a presentation, a social media graphic, a video, or another design format. The exact layout may vary slightly, but the Create option is the starting point that gets everything moving. After that, select a text. This step is important because Canva only shows text-specific animation options when a text box is actively selected. So click directly on the headline, caption, or any text element you want to animate. If you haven't customized the wording yet, you can still animate it first and fine-tune the text afterward. Just make sure the text box is highlighted before moving on. Once your text is selected, click on Animate. This opens Canva's animation panel where you'll find the motion effects available for that text element. This is the area that gives your design movement and personality. You may notice that Canva offers a visual preview of different effects, which is helpful because you can quickly see how each animation will look before committing to one. Now choose an animation style. This is where you can really shape the tone of your design. Some animations are smooth and subtle, which works well for professional presentations or clean brand content. Others are more energetic and playful, which can be great for social media posts, promotional graphics, or content that needs to stand out quickly. As you browse the options, pay attention to readability. The best text animation is not just stylish, but also easy for viewers to follow. Take a moment to test a few styles and see which one fits your message best. A polished result usually comes from choosing an effect that supports the design rather than overpowering it. And that's it. That's how to animate text in Canva like a pro. Once you get comfortable with these tools, you'll be able to add motion to your designs quickly and make your content look far more engaging.